Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today we're going to be working on a Dollar Tree DIY. It's going to be a glam wedding centerpiece. And so what you'll need to create this centerpiece is going to be some floral foam. And this is just going to be like a wreath shape. So you'll need one of these from Dollar Tree. Also a silver, one of these little silver or nickel platters, a round shape. This, you're going to need one of these little styrofoam balls, and I've split it in half, and I'm probably just going to be doing like a half circle floral arrangement for this, but I have the other half, and if I need it I can always just hot glue them back together to create like a kissing ball or a large floral ball. So you'll need one of these, and I picked this up at Michael's, and I think that it was like maybe $2 or something, $2, $3.98, and then I had a coupon so it made it less. And so you'll need one of those. You'll need one of these candlestick holders from Dollar Tree. You can check at Michael's. You can check at your local Dollar Tree. They may have some of these styrofoam balls. My Dollar Tree doesn't. I live in a rural area, so we don't really always get all of the stuff that some of the larger cities get. But anyway, check with Dollar Tree first, and then if they don't have it, you can always check at Michael's. You'll need one of these candlesticks. You'll need a couple of these votive holders, and they're from Dollar Tree as well. Now I've got several glass globes here. Not sure which one I'm going to be using for this project. And this will be for the floral arrangement at the top. So I have 3 of them, and you'll see whichever one I choose as we go along with this process. So you need either one of these. And you're going to need some of these silver napkin rings from Dollar Tree. There's 6 of these in a pack. And florals from Dollar Tree. And these are just some that I've had on hand, so I'm just going to be cutting them down and making them work with this arrangement. I may end up adding another color to it, like maybe pink or blush pink, just to see what I need as we're going along. You're going to need some wire cutters for your florals, some E6000 glue, some hot glue as well, a pair of scissors, and then I have some of these diamond gemstones that I picked up at Walmart. You can find these on a sheet or even on a roll at Dollar Tree. Again, my Dollar Tree didn't have them. I do live in a rural area, so they probably just weren't available in my area, but you can check in your area. And that's what you'll need to get this beautiful wedding centerpiece started. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started by assembling the pieces that need the longest drying time. So I'm just going to be putting these pieces together with hot glue, with E6000. And then I'll just let this dry for overnight. But we'll come back to this, and then we're going to get started working on other parts of the centerpiece. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add a bead of hot glue around the base here, and then I'm going to attach this floral foam, and then we'll start building the arrangement at the bottom of the wedding centerpiece. And now I'm just cutting these florals down, leaving a stem about like that on them. Okay, and as you can see, I'm still working on this. And I am going to be adding in some of this blush color to this wreath as well. It just adds a little hint of blush in there. Okay, and so this is how the base is looking right now. And I'm going to be going back in and just kind of tweaking it a little bit, filling in any gaps that I see. And then we'll be done with this portion of the centerpiece. And then I'm going to come in and I'm going to start working on this part of the centerpiece, which is the styrofoam half. Okay, so I did end up going ahead and making two halves of this again, and I'm just going to put some hot glue in here in the center, and then I'm just going to put the two of them together like that just to create one piece. So I'm just going to put them together like that to create one. I'm going to add it to this portion here. You just want to put a good generous little dollop on there. And then you just kind of want to put it back together, just like that, and just hold it. Okay guys, so I did go ahead and decide on using this bowl from Dollar Tree as the top of the centerpiece. So what I'm going to do to just kind of add a little bit more of a glam effect to this is I'm going to turn it upside down, and around the base of this I'm going to put some of these gemstones that I picked up at Walmart. So I'm just going to be running a row of these right around the base here to kind of punch up the glam look. And again, if you want to, for a centerpiece, if you're concerned about the gemstones not holding, you can always run just a bead of hot glue along this as well. So that's one option. But they should stick and should hold. But if you're concerned about it, you can always just start with a little bead of hot glue around, just like that. And then just start with your gemstones. Okay, so now you can see it's been 24 hours and this is all nice and dry, so it's going to be easy to work with. I am still undecided as to whether or not I'm going to use this bowl at the top, or whether or not I'm going to be using something else, and I was thinking about maybe going with this plate. So I'm going to go ahead and add a row of diamond wrap to this, and then when we're all done, you guys can let me know which of the two looks you like, which one you like better. And now that this is all nice and dry, I'm going to go ahead and start adding some diamond wrap and or some of these peel and stick gemstones here. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding right here where you see there's like a little X right in the center of this. I'm going to add one little gemstone in each of those. So I'm going to go with that for now. And then I think I'm going to add some diamond wrap to where the napkin ring portion of this base is. I'm probably not going to address this lower part of the base because when it's sitting in the center of the arrangement you won't be able to see it anyway, but I mean I may, but we'll see. And that's really pretty with those little gemstones going all the way around there. Now I think what I'm going to do with this portion of it is I'm going to take some strips of diamond wrap here that I've pre-measured out. And I'm just going to be wrapping this around like that. Just like that. And then I'm going to do a partial row at the top here. And I'm going to be attaching this with hot glue. And here's the floral arrangement that we made yesterday. So I'm just going to go ahead and sit this down in here, just like that. And the flowers also help to add a little bit of stability to this. Now, I have a dilemma. I'm going to be attaching this with hot glue to the top here. Just that plate. So you guys let me know which of these two looks you like best. Do you like the plate look with the flower on the top like this? Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.